Let me show you how your rice cooker can wipe up restaurant-worthy clam and vermicelli pots. Zero stove time, zero sweat, just time and go. Layer it smart, cabbage fast to prevent sticky, then golden mushrooms for umami, soak vermicelli to soak up all the goodness, and finally fresh clams and shrimp. For the sauce, 2 spoons of light wine, 1 spoon of dark soy, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, a drizzle of oil, and a pinch of salt, tint with water. Top it off with minced garlic. This is where the magic starts. See the lid, hit the cook button, and walk away. 30 minutes later, lift the lid to a steaming pot of plum seafood, sticky noodles, and that intoxicating garlicky aroma. A scatter of green onions adds the final touch. This isn't just easy, it's embarrassingly simple. The rice cooker's gentle heat causes out every drop of flavor without boiling over or burning. One bite of those tender clams with the savory sweet noodles, and you will wonder why you ever use a stove.